We're back again to fix it. Welcome to Fix It Aid, where I'm back with a Kodak Easy Share M820 digital photo frame. Ooh. Now, I purchased this off eBay, and if we just have a look at the condition, it says here, Kodak Easy Share, blah blah blah, very light use, looks in new condition with original accessories present, flashes once when the power button is pressed and then shuts off again. So, take a look. God, fair play, it is like new. It's funky, isn't it? Right, let's check. We're getting 12 volts out of this first. Rule of thumb, start with the simplest problem. Oh, wrong way, so used to checking continuity. And simplest problem first, work backwards. I don't know if my probe's going to go down in here. Yep, 12 volts, so there's nothing wrong with the plug. Right, you have to bear with me now because I don't know how to turn these. It's the first time I've ever actually dealt with one of these with it. So we got on button, yeah. Right, there's the flash he said about. So I would say that listing is accurate. So we need to take this part now. Okie dokie dokie dokie. We are, we're in. Cool, that was a mission. That was a mission. Right. Put these away. Let's make some room so we can have a nose about. I take it that just came out because I seen that in. Right, so well, this ribbon cable comes into here. So what's this for then? Is this solely for the LEDs? Oh look, this is. I think this is just for the LEDs. Let's just gently lift this up. See what's what. So it's going on, then going straight back off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just disconnect that so I can move. Oh, wait there. Look, didn't see this out. Oh, have a word, have a day off room. There's the screen. Just for curio, I want to test my plug. Let's put it on 12. Now that's on. Let's turn it off. Right, now it's off. Let's unplug it. Could it have been a cable? Let's put it back together. Fully. Well, fully enough anyway. And see what's what. Let's take this back out because it's getting fiddly as. Yeah, move that over there. There. All in, yeah. When I say fully, I mean, let's plug this back in here. Get off. Right. Let's put the power back in. Oh, Adrian. Be a bit more careful, please. And there it is. I don't know what I've done. Was there a loose connection? Or is it that plug? Turn it off. Let's put this one back in. Here we are. It's the plug. The fault isn't with the unit, it's with the plug. Well, I be dipped. Put it on. It's not working at all now. Nope, there it is. There it goes. Right then. Let's put this back together. And this comes over. It clamps in, doesn't it? Oh, something satisfying about this clicking in. Do believe that's it. Let's just click all that back into place. I'm really happy about this because we want to keep this. Let's put the 4 screws back in. Yep. Yep. I haven't got a clue who these people are, so I'm going to have to blur that. Right, so on that score, people, fix. I will take a win. So from me and Kodak, ta-da for now. Ta-da, but